Hello children, the question given here is regarding flower color, mark the incorrect option in case when cross between true breeding red flower, that is homozygous dominant RR, and white flower, that is homozygous recessive WW, plants of Antirrhinum majors is done. So children, we have to see the options first. Number 1 is phenotype of F1 individuals would be in between the two parents. Number 2, red flowers will not be produced in the F2 generation if F1 individuals are selfed. Number 3, when F1 individuals are selfed, the genotypic and phenotypic ratio in F2 generation would be the same. Number 4, pink flowered plant would be heterozygous for the responsible genes. So children, we will move to NCERT for the correct answer. In NCERT children, on page number 60, we can see here it is mentioned that it was found that sometimes the F1 had a phenotype that did not resemble either of the two parents and was in between the two. So children, we can see that in F1 generation, we got an intermediate condition and the flowers are all pink, while the parent number 1, that is P1, is red in color and homozygous dominant, and the other parent P2 is white in color in recessive homozygous condition. So neither parents are pink in color, but in F1 generation we get a condition or we get an intermediate color, that is pink. When this pink color is selfed, now when we self this pink color, what we get this ratio, that is, so here we can see that when they are selfed, so in Punnett square we can see 1 is red, 2 are these pink flowers, and 1 is again this thing white in color, that is recessive homozygous. So children, after selfing, what we get, we are getting RR, RR2, let me make it here, that is RR heterozygous condition and this homozygous. So this is red 25%, this is white 25%, and this is pink 50%. Okay, so here we can see the ratio, phenotypic ratio is 1:2:1, that is red is to pink is to white, and genotypic ratio is also similar to phenotypic ratio, that is also 1:2:1. So we can see here, according to our question, that we get 25% red colored flowers in F2 generation after selfing the F1 generation flowers, okay, plants. So let's move to the question here again, and here children we can see that option number 2 is incorrect because it is saying that red flower will not be produced in the F2 generation if F1 individuals are selfed. It is not correct. We will get 25% of red flowers, okay. All the other options given here are correct. So here option number 2 is the correct answer.